Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray clashes in Tigray region is that the Tigray Defense Forces (TDF) has claimed that they have captured several Ethiopian National Defense Forces soldiers in Tigray region during the fighting. And also said that they had killed several other Ethiopian National Defense Forces and Eritrean Defense Forces soldiers. Tigray Defense Forces shared photos. In these photos can be seen that Ethiopian National Defense Forces soldiers in the custody of Tigray Defense Forces. And it has been said that these soldiers were fighting against Tigray Defense Forces in the Tigray region for last several days. In the previous videos, I inform you that Tigray Defense Forces are claiming that in Tigray region, heavy wars have been going on between Eritrean Defense Forces, Ethiopian National Defense Forces and Tigray Defense Forces for the past several days. And more, Tigray Defense Forces claimed that the Tigray Defense Forces had killed several soldiers of the Ethiopian and Eritrean army and has taken over several areas. But now Tigray Defense Forces has claimed that they have captured several Ethiopian army soldiers. And pictures of Ethiopian National Defense Forces soldiers caught by Tigray Defense Forces about this have also been shared. These pictures you can see on your screen. Tigray Defense Forces militias have said that they have reached on major victories in Ethiopia and northern Ethiopia's Tigray region. Wars are still going on in Tigray region. The central government had said that it had eliminated the fighting power in the region. But it is said that fighting still going on in Tigray region and fighting is intensifying day by day between Eritrean Defense Forces, Ethiopian National Defense Force and Tigray Defense Forces in Tigray region. So this is the latest update about Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.